What a story this morning. Ted is in now with an early look ahead to the weekend and our Thursday.
Yeah. Well, hey, some positive things going on in our weather. Right now, not all that warm, but at least fairly quiet weather. And we've had flurries, but we're also looking at the prospect of a fair amount of sunshine later today. It's you pick what you can out of this weather picture, and you make the most of it. It is going to be probably the coldest high temperature we'll experience all week coming up this afternoon. But we are looking at a lighter breeze, and again, that sun that will dominate the majority of the day. Right now, clouds are in place. We've had flurries. It's a little drier at this point, though, as we look northward from downtown Rochester with our Lewiston Auto camera. 11 degrees, but the wind's only 8 miles per hour. Fairly light breeze. That's where we'll be most of the day with those lighter winds. The teens now. 20s later, keeping in mind 32 is the seasonal average. So again, a colder than average day. Yesterday we were in the mid and upper 20s. Today, not even that warm later on. But again, less wind makes it a little more palatable. But 11 degrees right now in Rochester, 14 Plainview, Decorah now 14 degrees. Again, light winds as we look down Bandle Road. Extra layer of clouds overhead. But we are seeing at least a little bit of some sunshine trying to break through right now. And we'll have a fair amount of sun going forward. We've had some flurries been tracking on radar, and watch that activity kind of fizzling out as it works its way into southwestern Wisconsin. That from a weak disturbance that's been moving through. Another one like it, maybe one with a little more punch, that's coming in for later tonight. Not necessarily a heavy burst of snow, but we may see a coating of accumulation from that as it comes in from Saskatchewan, Manitoba, northern parts of North Dakota. It'll reach us by tonight. So evening flurries, then some snow showers that carry us into the overnight hours and the first part of tomorrow. Then the day filled with sun for our Friday, and still a fairly light breeze. So overall, yeah, some nuisance snow showers early tomorrow, but the next 24, 36 hours look halfway decent, though a little colder than average. And then the weekend, there it is, the big headline there, warmer weather. Some clouds and some sun slowly breaking through this morning. The morning commute, 12 degrees, holding steady there, a few flurries and a light northwest breeze. From here, we'll see additional sunshine. Lighter breeze in recent days, around 10, 11 miles per hour, so not all that windy. High temperatures around 23, almost 10 degrees below the seasonal average. Sunset 5:55. But again, this is the coldest afternoon temperature we'll likely see all week. 23 today. We ease back down to the teens tonight, and staying there until we see all that sun tomorrow. Push the mercury back into the mid and upper 20s. Right now, though, colder than that. International Falls colder than average there. 10 below zero. It's 4 below in Hibbing. For us, we're doing okay. We're a couple degrees shy of the seasonal averages. 11 in Rochester, 18 Mason City, and 24 in Oskaloosa. Again, 17 the average low. We're at 10 degrees at this point, but the first time few days starting the day below the seasonal average. Sunset 5:55, and 32 would be a typical high. Well, we may get there by Saturday. Right now, high pressure coming in from the north. Ahead of that, we had these little ripples of energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere. One brought flurries earlier. We may see a handful of those through about 8 or 9 o'clock this morning. The next one brings those snow showers after about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight through the overnight hours until about 9 tomorrow morning. So light snow showers, maybe as much as a quarter-inch of snowfall. Not a lot. And then the skies clear off. High pressure comes in behind that, making for a really nice Friday, colder than average, but not too bad. Light winds, temperatures in the mid and upper 20s, and then here's that warm front. Cloud cover with it for a time. That moves on through. We'll have a ton of sun for Saturday, a light southwest breeze behind that front, and we'll tap into that warmth. We'll get into the mid and upper 30s for Saturday, maybe even shooting for 40 by Sunday. But as snow chances go, just light doses perhaps tomorrow morning, again Monday and Wednesday of next week, but not that much in any of those systems. None of those really packing much of a punch. 20s, then 30s as we get to the weekend and next week. We stick with that above average weather temperature-wise for pretty much the length of next week as it stands right now. 23 in Rochester today, though. 22 in Preston, 24 in Austin and in Grand Meadow with northwest winds around 10 miles per hour. A few flurries initially, but a lot of sun later on. Flurries this evening. After about 9 or 10 o'clock, we start talking about those light snow showers. They may bring a very minor coat of accumulation, may impact the morning commute tomorrow as they taper off around 9 in the morning. 7-day forecast, some sun tomorrow. A good looking weekend. Lighter winds, sun at first. Sunday not as sunny, but first day of March, meteorological spring looks pretty good. The warmest of the next 7 days.
Almost hitting 40 on Sunday.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. If we get enough sun, we might be able to get there. But right now, it looks like the clouds will be on the increase.
Sounds good.
It is Pizza Week.